Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a ton of coins in Temu. So as you can see, I don't have many, but what you want to do is go to settings if you're on an iPhone, go to general, and there's a few different options we're going to change to make sure our device is ready for the download. So once you're in settings, the first thing we're going to do is go to general and make sure the background app refresh is set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now it really doesn't matter guys, but make sure it is on one of those, because if it is set to off guys, this will not work. So once you've done that guys, all you got to do is go to battery and make sure the low power mode is turned off. Now you'll know it's on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow, so just make sure the low power mode is turned off and you're going to be all set. It's just bad because it saves your battery to a point where it can't download anything while the low power mode is turned on. So the final thing we're going to do is go to App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. Now this should be on by default, but if for some reason you have it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that, you're all set. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go to get it onto your device. So you want to go ahead and go over to this page right here. So let me just go ahead and type it in. This is super cool guys, I just can't even believe it actually works. Let me just go ahead and go over here, go to the search bar and just type in Temu. So once it comes up guys, just go ahead and press on it and then just press download now and just wait for this to load here, as you guys can see. So let's just be patient and let it do its thing. So now we're just waiting until the bar reaches the end and it should download straight onto your device. I already have it installed, so I'm not downloading it, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely try it out for yourself, get the word out about this method. People talk about it all the time. This is the best way to do it. I'm going to open up the Temu and let's see guys if we did get unlimited resources, unlimited coins. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up right here and let's see if it works. So I'm just going to open it up and let's see what's going on guys. So I'm just going to open it right here and let's see if it worked. And look at that guys. Be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out. I'll see you later and peace out.